Hi friends, welcome to T9 Tech Academy. Today I would like to discuss C Sharp 12 new features. So let me create new console application. So I am taking Visual Studio 2022 and creating console application C Sharp 12 features. I am giving console application name as okay. Uh, so I would like to discuss the new features. One is correction expressions. Second one is primary constructors. Third one, default lambda parameters. Fourth one, alias any type. Okay, let's discuss with the correction expressions. So usually we initialize the correction data to the type whatever we need. So first I want to create a class. Let me create class. Then I go for the sample. Public static. So here main is the entry point. Okay. So now we go with the correction expressions. So usually we initialize the data like this. Let's see if I want to initialize maybe fruit codes. I want to here for apple, banana, and orange. So I declare like this. This is a normal way of declaring. Normal way mean whatever previous versions. So here correction expressions mean same we declare in different way. Let me copy this one. Yeah, this is like a correction expression. So instead of curly braces, this one we are keeping the square bracket. This how we declare the correction expression. Then you may think like why what is the difference if we are declaring with both? But when we use correction expression, so the same insertion data we can assign to different data types. Let's say I can assign to list of See, this is correction expression. This because we are using the same initialization data even for list of character type also. So that's why the another advantage of this correction expression is, so we can initialize the same data for different types. Even we can go for hash set. This is also correction expression. Even see, this is one advantage. See, so initially, what I did, I initialized for character arrays, the initialization of data. So same data I am assigning to even list of characters type also, even for hash type also, read only span type also. I am able to assign. This is one advantage. That's mean advantage one. We can assign same initialization data to different correction types. That is one. The another one is when we have a method, so we need to pass correction of data. So that time no need to initialize the data and pass. So usually when we pass any data to a method, first we need to define the type and we need to assign the data. Then we need to transfer that data to the other method. Let's say I will go with method here. I can go with maybe some fruits, static void fruits. Here I can define items. So I want to print the number of items in the list. So let's say this fruits is the method. It is expecting a list of characters. So fruits, I am calling the method now. See here, see same data I can pass now. Any type of data, but here this data type is not defined. This we are not defining this data type. Simply we are passing to this method. So here we need to understand the thing is, before passing data to a method, usually we need to define the type of that data. But here no need to mention that one, because while passing data to the this method, compiler automatically understands based on the method declaration here. It convert into that respective time type. So basically it's responsibility of the compiler do that one. Okay, these are two advantages for corrections expressions. One is Like we can assign same initialization data to different collection types. The second one is before passing a data to the method, no need to specify the type of that. So without specifying, we can pass like this within the square bracket, and we can pass that data to the method. So this is about the correction expression. Even if you want to just see this count, no, let me run this one. So for that, I'm keeping console.read line. So in order to keep this basically focus on the screen, otherwise no, it will appear and disappear basically screen. In order to retain the screen, I am using this console.read line. Let me run this one. See here, count 3 it is showing. So it is accepting data. So I passed a b o, and here it is displaying. This is the short form of declaring method. Okay, then we'll go with the second one is primary constructors. So usually like class having the constructor. So if you want to define parameterized constructor mean we need to specify with the same class name, and there we need to declare. But here in primary constructor scenario, we add the parameters while defining class at the end of the class name. Let me create the class, then we will come to know. This is a class, but here I want to define like this. So this how we can declare. Then the compile time, no, it will create the primary constructor. Basically, at the time of building the code, it created the primary constructor. So I can write some method. I may use this with some space. Okay, I want to display first name space last name. So here we define like this: first name, last name. So now this employee having the primary constructor with two parameters. Let create the instance and call this method. So employee. So first name, last name, I'm passing. Now I can call e dot print method. So I created an instance by passing two parameters. Then I am calling straight away this print method. Let me execute this one. See, it is displaying abch. So here we need to understand the declaration of primary constructor is like this. So this is the new feature here. So we can have like this any number of parameters. So basically, as I said, it instructs the compiler to automatically build a primary constructor because of this. Okay, this is about the primary constructor. But if you go into depth way, there are a lot of considerations, even limitations are there, and also where we can use this constructor, that also there. Okay, I want to stop here, then we'll go for further topic. Default lambda parameters. Default lambda parameters. So usually we have default values for the method parameters. When we define a method, there if we did not receive any data for that particular parameter, so should take default value. Like for strings, we give the string dot empty, like mean empty space will give basically. Uh, let's say this is just display some message. So okay. So this is a normal way of setting default value for the method. So when something is not possible, let's say I can call either way. So if I call using this print, no, it will display empty, nothing is there. So empty. If I pause this, no, it will display message hello like that. Even I will show how it will be. First, let me. Yeah, here because empty displaying, this is about previous values, this one. Now it is empty. Now I will execute. Now it should display hello also. See, hello, it is displaying. Okay. But this is normal way of like for normal methods, we can set the default value. But how we can set the value for lambda expressions, that is the topic here now. So using lambda expressions, I mean for methods also, I mean for lambda expressions also we can keep the default value, not only for methods like this, for method parameters, even for lambda expression parameters also we can set the default value. That is the topic here. Okay, right. Okay, print is equal to, yeah, we can define message equal to empty, then I can, yeah, this is lambda expression here, making empty for message. If nothing is passed, it is empty. So for understanding, maybe I can give info for this one because print already I given. So now I, yeah. So now I will execute it. I will execute and let's see the result. See, hello from Lambda expression. It is getting a value from that. So even if I let's see. So even it won't give any issue because by default it is assigning empty no. So it takes basically empty value. So nothing display for that. So this is how we use lambda parameters making a default value here. So we are able to making default value here, this one for lambda parameters. So message is a parameter, there we are able to make default value. This is about lambda parameters as default. And then the further topic is alias any type. So let me, so alias any type mean we have maybe lengthy type name is there, we need to use different places. So for that no, we can make it short form, like using the keyword we can assign and we can use that in different places. Let's say sample we go for, so maybe I want to maintain the list of integers, I need to use for that generic, then list of int. No, it should take basically list of int. List of int is a type which is not a valid in the given context. Okay, this one, yeah, we need to define in top. Okay, yeah. So this list int we can use further. So basically with using keyword, no, that we need to define above the class. Usually we declare other using statements. So the further no, I use list int for the other types. Let's say I want to declare maybe a list of integers. So I can define list integers is equal to new list int. See the list int. Now if you see now this list int is of type system dot collection generic list. So that we defined here. This one. Okay. This is alias any type because we are using for list int. Okay, but in c sharp 12 we have Even we can do same thing for even arrays and tuples also. Same thing we can apply for those types also. Let's say using, we can say, so using number list, I declared as a double array. Same way, even I use the different types as I said, no. So I use even let's say, so like this also I can use, as I said, no, for tuples or even for arrays also we can apply this alias. Let me then we can use this further, how we can use, no. Let's say here, number list, some numbers I can assign here like this. Some I can assign to number list is the type of double array type. So same way, even to point also I can assign point b equal to, okay. So alias we can apply like this. So make it short form, no. We usually use this feature. See here, for first thing is list of integers because of this lengthy name. So I declare like this list int. Then I declared variable there. I declared list int. Here we can assign for list integer data also. We can use further. Same way for num list also. Here num list I defined. So for that also I created the variable and assigned the data, decimal data. Same way point p also. Okay. So this how we use alias for even arrays and tuples in this C sharp 12 feature. Okay, that's it now. Thanks for watching.